What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you guys here. This will be a short one, just doing a quick unboxing of the Holosun HS407C-X2 series. And this is the red dot one. There's also green, but this is the red. I picked this up from the guys over at Modern Warriors. You can check out their website. They got a bunch of great deals and products online as well as in store. But with that, let's go ahead and see what's actually in the box for this one. So it comes in a nice little packaging here. You take the sleeve off, and then it actually has like this hard plastic top. So kind of nice seeing decent packaging. And then if we take that off there, we actually got the... looks like the instructions or owner's manual sealed in there. You can throw that in the trash. Probably don't need that at all. And some gel, throw away. And it comes with a nice cleaning cloth up top as well. I guess I'll leave it in sight so you can see what all you get. And then inside here, we actually have our red dot there. Looks dope. Nice, compact, small. So go great. I'm actually going to be putting this on a Glock 19. But you could also put this on a riser, and you can throw it on some PCC that you have, or even an AR. But definitely a nice, durable, compact option here. Looks sweet. I'm excited for this. Let's see what else is in the box here, though. We got in the pocket here, looks like screws with Loctite on it to go ahead and attach on. You can see right here, there's screw holes. So they give you some extra because it looks like you only need 2. But you can attach that to a base plate, or if you have a MOS system on your pistol, you can probably just put this right down onto the correct plate as well and screw it in. And lastly, we got our tool here for what comes with it. So it looks like it's an adjuster here for one of the parts. I don't even see where that one is, because to adjust the up, down, and the left, right, you got this flat end here, but you also got this odd-shaped star one there. So not sure what that goes to, but I'm sure it can be helpful. And with that, let's actually see if that's all that comes in the packaging there. But let's go ahead and see if this actually came with a battery in on it. The biggest reason I chose this one is, one, the price point. This is a sub $250 red dot, which is at the lower end, but doesn't sacrifice any quality. You get the Holosun name. And I love this. This is the new feature that they've added to the newer models, is the battery takeout is on the side. For some of the RMRs and other brands, you actually have to take the whole red dot off your pistol once you mount it, and the battery's underneath. So in this case, you get the side battery, much easier to swap out when you need to do that. Let's go ahead and just hit the plus, see if this turns on or not, or see if I even have a battery in it. Maybe not. So looks like I might have to get a battery and get it put in there, so that way we can go ahead and use it. But either way, pretty cool. Overall quality looks nice here. Oh, actually, maybe there is a red dot in there. I guess there's a faint one there. Hard to see on camera. I'll have to play with it, make sure that it's good. But this one's also pretty nice, where it has these solar panels on top. So if you do run out of battery, this will take over, give you that dot for, a little bit longer that you need it until you can swap it out. But saw some great reviews of this online. Excited to use it. I'm going to have a video coming shortly of how to install this on a Glock 19 Gen 4 with no MOS. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see how it runs on that. So with that, like I said, short video today. That's all you get in the box, but definitely an awesome product to check out. I'll have some reviews on it and some more use with this, so I can speak a little bit more about it. And I'll give you my thoughts later on once we go ahead and have those videos put together. But in the meantime, let me know if you guys have any comments, or if this is a site you're looking to check out. As always, subscribe to the channel, like the video if this is helpful. And as always, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.